Today we are designing a modern cafe and we are doing it with curves. Using simple arches, we are going to turn this empty space into a stylish modern sitting area. Let's get started. Welcome back to Nice Tower, and today's video we are creating a beautiful cafe interior using SketchUp. If you enjoy architecture, modeling, or creative design ideas, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the Nice Tower channel. Now let's jump right into the modeling. First, I hide extra elements in the model so we can focus clearly on the cafe wall where the seating design will be created. I began working on this wall by copying a guideline. First copy at 300 millimeters, then another at 2000 millimeters, and again at 300. I select these two surfaces, make a copy here and type X3 to repeat the pattern. Next, I copy this surface again, paste it in place. I paste it here. Next, turn it into a component. And I push it out by 100 millimeters. Then push the top part upward by 1200 millimeters. Delete this line. And now it's time to add curves. In each corner, I draw arcs to round off the edge. Then I push these small areas inward to clean them up. Next, I mark 1200 millimeters from the top, then 300 millimeters, and another 300 millimeters from side, and also for this part. And again, I mark 700 millimeters. I draw another arc here and connect the shapes with the line tool. Also here. It's done. And push everything inward. Now I delete the extra line to clean the geometry. Now I take an offset of 70 millimeters and another offset 30 millimeters. Now I add two lines here and delete the extra line. Also delete these lines. And now I select the entire shape and use the 3D 6 scale plugin. This one. With this plugin, I wanna bend it like this. I use it to bend it smoothly, just like that, in 90 degrees. The whole design curves beautifully. And now I copy this piece to the other areas. Select this one and take a copy here. Then type X3 to repeat it for multiple copies. And now we've created a clean, modern, elegant arched wall design. As you can see, And for these arch elements, I use a beige tone to add warmth and modern style. For the linear light, I apply a white material. And now I copy another shape for this area. It's better. And I apply a wallpaper texture that I downloaded earlier. But of course, you can use any texture you prefer. I apply it here. Zoom section. You can see it. Select this and apply it to the other parts. And also for this part, I take another copy of this line at 2000 millimeters away and apply the same texture there as well. You can already see how a simple concept becomes a stylish modern design in just a short time. And I add a few cafe tables so the space becomes functional. With just a few pieces, the design starts feeling alive. Finally, I unhide everything we hid earlier, and now the ceiling design and sitting area match perfectly, giving the entire cafe a clean, modern vibe, as you can see. And here is it, the final look. The curves, textures, lightening, lines, and the colors all work together beautifully. It's modern, soft, and perfect for a cozy cafe atmosphere. I love how simple the workflow was, yet the result feels professional and stylish. This brings us to the end of today's cafe design session. I hope you enjoyed creating this modern curved concept with me. If you got inspiration for your own cafe or interior projects, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And I'll see you in the next Nice Tower project.